Good morning, everybody. Once again, this is Dominoes 7 here. Good morning. All right. So I was just speaking to a neighbor. So show y'all some videos of McDonogh tornado. Okay. I don't know who all went to McDonogh tornado. So back in the day, there was some rivalry. So if anybody has something negative to say about this, whether it's on Facebook or YouTube, do not comment, okay? If anybody has something negative to say about these schools, okay? Doesn't matter who's fake, you know. Switch this over. Here's McDonogh 28 right here. Okay, well it looks a little different, you know. There's a playground on the back, you know. Not a visitor entrance. Yeah, never was a visitor entrance anyway. This used to be a locker room right here, but it must be still a locker room, girls' locker room, you know. This sign wasn't here. Yep. So this is my old junior high school where I used to go to. Okay. So here it is, McDonogh 28 Junior High School. Okay. Remember the old principal? Or should I say ex-principal at that, you know? How many of y'all remember going to this school? I remember back in the day, the Bell students used to beef with Bell students used to beef with our students for what? Over something stupid instead of getting the education. Yeah, this is the cafeteria right here. What that window doing open? Enough for them birds to go in there, you know. Yep. Things have changed though, you know. So alright, so that's all for today.